Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Erianti. In this occasion, I will try to explain properties of the spoken language production and speech disorder. The first is properties of spoken language production. Language comprehension is more difficult to study than language production because although speech is observable, that ideas leads to production is more elusive. Language production is a process from idea generation to language expression. Language production refers to a process involved creating and expressing meaning through language. Major step of language production process. The first is conceptualization. Generally, psycholinguistics agree that some of the mentalists exist a representation system which is different from language. The second is formulation. Formulation is more easier described than conceptualization because analyze on eventual output process such as speech error and the choice of the word or sentence structure can be helpful for understanding language production. The last step is articulation or expressive. Articulation of speech sound is the third and it is very important stage of production. Once we have to organize our thing into a linguistic plane, this information must be sent from the brain into massless system, so they can execute the moment and produce the desired sounds. Okay, the next explanation is about speech disorder. Speech is how we to say word or sounds. Speech disorder is a group of conditions where there is a problem formation and creation which leads or difficulty to communication with other. There are some other voice disorders which are considered as speech disorders like stammer, stutter, lips, and many others. Types of speech disorder. The first is aphasia. Aphasia is language disorder that happen when we have brain damage on the language part of our brains, like left part of our brains. The second is dysarthria. Dysarthria is speech disorder which is caused by muscle weakness. It can make the patient hard to speak or talk. The third is stuttering. Stuttering is speech disorder which sounds, word, syllables, or prolong, disturbing the normal flow of speech, or block your word inside the throat. The last is dysphonia. Dysphonia is the neurological disorder that affecting the voice muscles in the voice box, and it is arise due to an abnormality, structure, or the function of the sounds. Okay guys, thank you for the great attention. That's all about my explanation about properties of spoken language production and speech disorders. Thank you.